vibes. We are at the base of Hoppa 1, getting ready to chat on some brekkie and then get after it. The lifts are still not running up to the top, so we have opted to take our boards for a small walk and get some of this freshy fresh that's out here. That cluster of people, oh, they just opened it. They're all waiting to get on this lift, which hasn't been running all day, which is why we're hiking. No! There's the first ones.
Oh. 93 proof.
Alcohol? Look at how big you're smiling.
Yeah, homemade. Gunpowder.
Gunpowder.
Gunpowder 入れて、これストーン入れて、ファイヤー。100 meter up.
100 meters up?
Yes, to 80 meter circle.
I guess this is a firework bar. We did not know that when we wandered in. They've got fireworks for sale and alcohol, which is always a good mix. We're hunting for food.
Something warm.
Hunter-gatherers, if you will.
What was the best part of your day?
Probably finding some powder at the top, even though this was super low. I'm just trying to find honey. From New Zealand.
Yeah, buddy.
I don't want to have to explain them to you, but basically these are the house slippers that they've given us to walk around the hotel grounds with. I don't know whatever, a cultural experience. Fell down a bunch today, feeling a little sore, so I'm going to get a session in the onsen. Fortunately, or unfortunately, depending on what it is you want in life, I won't be able to show you the inside of the onsen as they are completely nude. here at Iwataki, and it is shred time. Gonna hop on the gondola and get busy. Get busy. Get busy. Waiting on Shell. Hey!
I think I can officially say I'm a snowboarder now. Or I know how to snowboard.